Go, man. My dog Jason is pulling up. Now we gonna chop it up for sure. Yes, sir. Said he gonna turn around. Let's see it. Oh, he got skills. I wouldn't have been able to do that. I would have just been like, yeah, I'm gonna park right there.
I know. That's what I was like, man, take me 30 minutes to get my trailer back.
I'm dying. He do it like that, huh?
Knock down a couple of mailboxes.
Hey, I'm dying. I was talking to Jason the other day. He said, man, I got my pilot's license. He know how to fly an airplane. Yeah. I'm like, oh yeah, you viral. You for sure viral.
Dude, worldwide,
man.
Put some miles on this thing. This is a new truck you got.
Yeah, he just got this truck for sure. Let's see it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ohio, you've been doing donuts and
yeah, on a bike, man.
I know.
He like, man, you should have been had my bike here, Jake.
I know.
I'm dying. That's funny, man.
He been out joyriding for a couple.
He had to, huh? He had to.
He's about to have like 2,000 miles.
Right, huh? Check the mileage on it. Jason, what's up, man? Man,
I like that hat, man. I know you've been joyriding on my bike in Ohio. I saw you.
What's up, man?
I was like, just doing donuts and wheelies on this bike in Ohio.
I didn't even want him to give it away.
Yeah.
I can just take it to my house. It's no big deal.
Right, no, for sure. Hey, that's funny, dog.
I mean, if I was going to get a road glide, that's the car, that's the stretcher.
This is the one, huh? That's funny, dog. Man, we finally out here all the way from the West Coast.
I was like, man, I'm a little worried. I think Jason just took it to Ohio.
He just took it to Ohio, huh?
I wanted to.
Hey, man, that is...
I brought it up several times.
Hey, that's hilarious, dog. Y'all see it here first, that blue thing that finally touched down, man. It is finally time to shine, man. You see it here live in the flesh, man. You ready?
I'm ready.
Ready for this or what, man?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
That's crazy, man. So I was talking to my guy backstage. You know, I was like, man, what's your plans for the bike, man? We didn't discuss it on camera, man, so you got to let them know what you thinking, man. What you think you going to do to it, dog?
We're doing stage 2 with the SNS 475 and some bars. That's the first stage. And then basically that's it. Cosmetically is
and you forgot about the pipes. The exhaust,
so
the air breather.
So with the whole stage 2, you're going to get...
oh, yeah, I forgot you did say stage 2. So you got to say it for the people who don't know.
Oh, the air cleaner, the exhaust, and the cams. And then DynoJet just released the 2021 fuel tuner.
Yeah, gotta have a programmer.
Yep. It's on there already?
No.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so, but yeah, they just came out with the new tuning pack for the 2021. So... I'm gonna get the DynoJet Power Vision, and
oh yeah, so it's gonna be pretty fast then, huh?
Yeah, it's gonna be a beast.
It's gonna be a beast. I can't wait, man. So y'all gotta check it out, man. My guy he said he got a GoPro, man. So we gonna check back in with him, see how this little build is going up. Yeah, we gotta get the update, man. I can't wait to see it and hear it, man. I know this thing gonna sound crazy when you throw the right pipes on there. Along with a can, that thing is gonna sound stupid crazy. Like
the only other thing, I'm gonna put that CVO Harley logo on the gas tank.
Right. Hey, I should have brought it. I got it. That's funny. I definitely got it. I definitely got him. I should have brought him. Let's see it. Coming off the trailer, man. Y'all see it here first. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. Everything's regular. Say, yes, sir, man.
Oh, wow, man.
High looking person, man.
It's beautiful, man.
That's crazy,
Better
right?
in person than it was on TV.
Better in person, huh?
Yeah.
That's crazy, man.
Oh, wow. Yeah,
I can't wait, man. We gotta check this out.
Wow, that's a beautiful bike, man.
That is nuts.
Yeah. Welcome to the family.
Man, tell them where we at, man.
We in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Charlotte, North Carolina,
South
man.
side.
Wait a minute, wait. He said welcome to the family. That means I'm getting dinner.
Yeah,
What you want to eat? Grab one of these bikes. You go ride and grab some barbecue or something.
for sure.
I'm not gonna say no.
Y'all see it here first, man. My dog Jason then pulled up with the oohs and the ahs, man. I'm digging it.
Oh, yeah.
I'm digging it. Wow, this thing looks crazy in these North Carolina skies, man. That's wild, man. You just won a freaking 20.
I got some microfibers on the truck. I'm sure you probably have them too.
Oh, yeah. Don't worry about it.
Oh yeah, man.
We're going to clean them up.
You know how it be in that truck, man. But I'm sure you're gonna want to do your own detail on it anyway. So that's gonna be perfect for you.
It's a beautiful bike, bro.
Now, I got a silver and blue booster, so when I come down,
Oh, yeah? You got a
we can swap. What do you think?
Yeah.
You can take a booster for a spin. I don't care.
I like it. You should
All
be
right,
standing up on your boots.
Right? No, for sure, huh? All the way down the block, for sure.
It's not stock. I hate to warn you. It's very not stock.
You don't need to do nothing to a booster.
Hey, man.
Yes, you
He,
do. Yes, you do. On your this side, you do.
he said when you're this size, you do.
It's nice. It's supposed to keep up with you on a stock.
No, for
So my boy had a, he had a 1300, I don't know if it was a katana or something, but anyway, he was like, yeah. So I used to ride like ninjas. I actually got two of them. So he's like, yeah, you can't lift this one up. It's too heavy or whatever. I'm like, man, I weigh like $120 or whatever.
Yeah.
And he was like, oh, you can't lift this up. I came down the block on his stuff like, what?
yeah. Hey, that's funny, dog.
You don't even have to try. As long as you crack the throttle more than halfway, it's going to pick up anyway.
Right, no, good to go, huh?
It's not age appropriate no more. I got rid of the crotch rockets.
Man, Jason, you see he got the bikes, man. He got them lined up, man.
I'm trying to get them converted to the Indian world. I'm like, you got all your diversity here. You ain't got to be a lawyer.
Yeah, you definitely got a little bit of everything, man. You got
Out of these three right here, I'd probably ride the Indian first and the Gold Wing second.
Yeah.
right to
Those
go.
are very comfortable bikes.
Yeah.
Right, no, for
Very
sure.
comfortable. The only
But
thing
them
about
road
it
glides,
is
they're not far behind it. They're right there.
Oh,
too.
Yeah, the road guys. Oh
it's
man.
comfortable, especially like long distance. And the Indian, I got everything done performance wise and everything. So it's a
Yeah, that thing is nice. This definitely got it.
On an Indian yet?
Never been on the
If you
Indian.
try, you're gonna understand.
Yeah.
Get on that one and pick it up. All right, and get on this one and pick it just off the kickstand. Just pick it up.
Right.
This one feels like it weighs 200 pounds lighter than that bike.
Yeah.
But
The weight's lower in the bike.
Oh wow.
it's the lowest center of gravity. But this particular one it'll give you a bad example because I got so much extra weight on it now that it just feels heavier. And with those bars,
Oh, you got speakers and everything. Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
yeah. So with
Yeah,
the
he got the whole shebang.
On a
Right,
regular-
right.
feel like
Chief,
when
it
you
feels
riding
like
it
you're picking
too-
up a rocket. They're so light.
That's
when you
nuts,
feel-
man.
When you ride like the stock version of it, it feel like nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
Everything's
yeah.
Like, yeah. But you
I
toss
mean,
it around.
even just turn the wheel, it's just so easy to ride. It's crazy.
Wow.
So all the stuff I've done, it made this one a little bit,
A little bit.
a little bit
Okay.
more difficult.
Yeah, but
gotta
you
kinda
made
know.
it where it suits you more. So.
Oh yeah. So,
It works out. Yeah,
it's
no, it
fine
works
for
out.
me. It's like a
You
little
can't leave
dirt bike for me.
listen,
Yeah.
I don't know if you're like me. I can't leave anything stock.
I know.
My
You
daily
can't.
driver's
I
not
don't want to
stock.
look like the
Yeah.
dude next to me.
The
at the
only
red light.
stock vehicle I have is my pull trucks. Other than that, I have nothing stock.
That's funny,
I
man.
wish I was joking. when I
Jason said he got the works, man. Gotta have the works, man. I'm digging it, dog.
leave stuff alone.
You gonna put some spinners on your trailer?
Worry about
Yeah.
in here, you know. You don't have enough room for. See what I mean? You're getting crowded. I don't want you to be too crowded.
Right, no, he definitely getting crowded, huh?
I don't want it, you know what I mean?
You definitely get it
You
crowded.
leave this one, and you can take some of these other ones back with you.
But those aren't as pretty. No, I want this one.
And that'll do
Yeah, he said I want this one, huh?
when he finished with it, right?
I want this one. I'm dying.
Put his magic on it.
Man, y'all see it here first, man. All the way live, man. You got to get that first ride or something, dog.
Oh yeah.
Got to start this thing up, man. Go for it, dog.
Let me know if y'all want to ride and grab some grill.
Let's see.
GoPro on there, man.
Oh, all right.
Let's see.
I'm famous.
Yes, sir. Y'all see my guy out here was quick to start this thing up, man. We ain't playing. Look at the wheels on that joint. Yes, sir, man. Y'all already know what's happening. It could be you next. Let's see. Oh, he ain't playing. Oh, he wasn't playing. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, he wasn't playing. Man, my guy is out there sliding and gliding that thing. He ain't playing. Oh, I think he coming back. Let's see. That thing look cold. Man, how you like that joint, man?
I like it, man. It's like, feel like you're riding
Yeah.
a little sportster compared to riding the big Indian.
Right. No,
Like,
for
it's
sure.
nimble and just easy to toss around. I'm like, oh yeah, this will get you in trouble.
Yeah, to get you in trouble. Yeah, you pulled off like you was ready to go, man. I was like, oh yeah, he ready for this, man. He ain't playing none.
Oh yeah.
I'm
nice,
digging
bro.
it.
That's nice. Yeah. We gonna. You
That's-
have a name. I'm gonna update you with a name.
I'm gonna update you with a name, man. So you got, cause he got names for his bikes,
that's
man.
Anastasia.
Anastasia
That's Scooter, and that's Big Shirley.
and Big Shirley,
And
man.
there's Consuela in there that's in process.
Consuela. Y'all see what's going on, dog. So,
Consuela is my Cholo Road King that I'm working on.
okay. Bet I'm digging it, man. That's funny, man. Y'all see my dog got all the bikes here. Got bikes in every corner, every angle of the driveway. Then we got the big blue thing right here with the blue buttons and everything, man. This thing is freaking nice. I like it, man. If I like it, I know you might love it. I love it. Hey, for sure, man. I appreciate you, man. Good looking out. Thanks for the support, dog.
Yep, absolutely, man. You do good work, man.
Appreciate you, man.
Yep.
What you think about the wheels, dog? So I was gonna do them a little different, but the blue buttons I felt like was just like gonna make it pop a little bit more. What you think, man?
I think it's perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah, just because like the greater. So I was thinking about it. I was like, I wonder what like black with the blue buttons would have looked like because of all the blackout. But
Right.
with that greater blue fade and then just having the little polished wheels.
Right.
So they're not chrome and all shiny and everything. But
Right.
They kind of give it that pop. So I like it.
Good looking, man. Well, I'm glad you like it, dog. Y'all see it here first, man. My dog is all the way out here in North Carolina. Going up, got the 2021 Road Glide with the dust on it. So I'm sure he gonna throw his little flavor on it, man. He got all the other bikes sitting here looking clean, man. So I can't wait. This thing is looking fly. I seen you when you pulled off. You kind of popped it up a little bit. I'm like, okay, he gonna be ready. Yeah, he was going crazy, man. That's funny, man. Yeah, I'm digging it, though. Man, you got to tell them who to subscribe to, who to follow
Everything
to.
is regular. To the world blow up, baby.
Yes, sir, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. I can't wait. I'm digging it.
Latina there.
Yeah.
Like, just let me rent that one until you finish my bike.
Right. No, for sure.
I'm like, I don't know about that.
Hey, I'm done. He said, I don't know about that one. Y'all can pick any other one, but not this one.
You Big Shirley.
I'm dying, man. Yeah, now this one is real nice. It's like, I can't wait to finish the purple one out just to see this one again like this, man. We got to get the close-ups and all that one good last time because, like, this is, like, my favorite bike, too, y'all. So
Yo, it's a beast, man.
he be getting cracking, right?
Man, this is beautiful.
Thank you, man.
This
Thank
is
you.
beautiful.
I'm glad you like it. It's your bike now, so
Man, I love it.
when everybody pull up on you, they gonna like, ooh, and ah, for sure. For
Yep.
sure, for sure, man.
Everything's regular.
Yes,
It
sir.
could be you.
Yeah, it could be you. Hey, man, you already know. Everythingsregular.com. Go get you a hat, man. All my guy did was support, man. Went and copped him a hat, and he won this 2021 Road Glide, man. We got a whole new 2020 Road Glide special and a Road King right now, man. He won first place, man. Our second place winner is getting his bike delivered this week also, man. So after this, we're in North Carolina right now. We're going to be heading to Northern California pretty soon, and the other winner will be getting his bike. But you could be next, man. Head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy your white and burgundy Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. And this can be you next. We could be at Chodo, man. You see what's going on. My guy here is checking out the bike, man. His brand new bike, dog.
Yeah.
Literally, dog. So I'm digging it, man. Yes, sir, man. This the first time they meet, man. Tell you, this thing is nice.
It's really nice, bro.
That's crazy. See, I don't ever get to see it like this, so I don't ever get to see nobody else on it, you know, so it's different when I get to see it like this. It's nice. It's killer. Yeah. Alrighty, guys, man, we done dropped that 2021 off to my dog Ronnie, man. I can't wait to see what he does to that thing, man. That thing, I got faith, it's gonna look freaking good because it already looks good already. So when he throws his touches on it, man, it's gonna look even better, man. I can't wait. What do you guys think about the video? Let your boy know in the comments below, man. You guys see the sign behind us. We at Copart. We in North Carolina still, so we're gonna check out some stuff here and see what they got, because I was looking at some here and we just happen to be in the area, man. So you guys already know what time it is, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide special or my 2014 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy your white and burgundy Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. I can't wait to see what that purple and gray thing is going to look like when we get back, because we do got the wheels and stuff ready. Also, we are throwing our paint set for the 14 Road King in the paint shop, so that thing is going to look hard, man. So I can't wait, man. So if you guys haven't, though, please like, comment, and subscribe. It could be you next, man. Until next time, I'll catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.